Hello, good morning, children. Today we are going to start with lesson number 12. The name of the lesson is Our Neighborhood. This is Rahul. He is my cousin from Kanpur. This is Simran. She lives next to my house. She is my neighbor. Simran and Saina live next to each other. So, in this picture, we see that Saina is introducing her brother Rahul, which is a cousin, and he lives in Kanpur, to her friend who is Simran, who lives next to a house. So, today we are going to study about our neighborhood. Simran and Saina live next to each other. They are neighbors. Their houses are surrounded by many other houses. The people living around them are their neighbors. Neighbors are important to us. They help us in time of need. We should maintain good relation with them. The places around our house and the people living and working there form our neighborhood. So, children, as we see in this picture, this is Saina's house and this is her friend's house. This is Simran's house. So the people who live near our house are our neighbors, and from the paragraph we come to know that we should have good relationship with our neighbors, because neighbors are important to us. They help us in the time of need, and when they are in need we should also help them. The places around our house and the people working there form our neighborhood. So we don't have only one neighbor, we have different neighbors. So as you can see in the second picture, you can see a mall, post office, hospital, then bus stand, and you can see these different societies. So all these are coming in your neighborhood. Park, so the place where you live, that is in this picture, for example this place, and the places around your house form your neighborhood. So now we are going to study about different places in our neighborhood. The places in our neighborhood help us in many ways. They make our life comfortable and safe. So let's see how these places makes our life comfortable. The first place which we can see in the picture is the market. We go to market to buy things of daily needs. Second picture is of the post office. We buy stamp, postcard, envelopes and post letters at the post office. So the first place is the market. We go to market to buy daily things. For example, we go to buy grocery, then all the vegetables, all the things which we need, we go and buy in a market. When we have to post a letter or we have to post any parcel, then we have to go to a post office for that. We go to these places for worship, that is to pray. We go to the church, gurudwara, mosque and temple. The Christians go to church to pray and worship. The Sikhs or the Punjabi people, they go to gurudwara to pray and worship. The Muslims go to the mosque and pray and worship. The Hindus, they go to the temple, they pray and worship over there. So these are the different places of worship which we find in our neighborhood. The next we see is school. We go to school to study, and we go to a bus stop to take a bus. So these are the next places which are found in a neighborhood. School, we all know that we all go to school to study. We learn many things in the school. We learn to read, write, to sing, dance. We have many sport activities in the school. So school is an important place in our neighborhood. Then bus stop, when we have to take any bus, then we have to go to a bus stop to take that bus. Now on page number 53, they have given this fun time. Tick the things you get in the market close to your home. So these all things I get which are close to my home. So I have ticked those things. First is furniture, second is car, and third is vegetables. So I get vegetables easily, so I have ticked vegetables. Then second, fruits, shoes, and clothes. I get all the three things easily near my house in the market. So I have ticked all three things. Aeroplane, fridge, and train. I don't get anything close to my house. My house is far from the airport, from far from the electrical shop, and also far from the railway station. So I don't get these things. You cannot buy a train and an aeroplane. You can buy a fridge, but it is not near to my house, so I have not ticked that also. So children, you have to tick the things which you get in the market which is close to your house. We play with our friends in the park. So park is another important place in the neighborhood. Small children, when you live in the society, there is a park provision over there where you can play on the swings, slides, meet with your friends, and have fun in the park. We go to an auto stand to take auto rickshaw. So when you don't want to go by bus, then you can go by an auto rickshaw. For that you have to go to an auto rickshaw stand, that is auto stand. Now Saina wants to know, what all do you see in a mall? Discuss. So we all have seen malls. We see different things in the mall. There are places for entertainment, then there we can shop many things. We can buy clothes, shoes, and all the important accessories. We can also buy electrical appliances. Then we can watch movies, we can have fun. So basically mall is a small market where you get everything. You can buy clothes for small babies, clothes for ladies, clothes for gents, and many other things in the mall. You can also buy gold jewelry. All the shops are combined in a mall. A mall is a place where you will find almost everything, and you will also find things of entertainment. Like you can play games in the mall, you can watch different water fountains, you can watch a movie. So all these things can be done in a mall. We keep our money and jewelry in the bank. So bank is another important place which is found in our neighborhood. It is not safe to keep money in the house, so most of the people keep their jewelry and money in the bank. The next place is hospital. We go to a hospital when we are ill. We all know how important a hospital is. So it is an important service which is provided in a neighborhood. So we go to a hospital when we are ill. Grandma says, why must we keep our neighborhood clean? A neighborhood provides us with all the important facilities. For example, we can see bus stand, school, library, bank, hospital, or railway station, auto stand. All these facilities are provided in the neighborhood. If we will keep our neighborhood dirty, there are chances that we can fall sick. So it is our responsibility to keep the neighborhood clean. Clean life means a healthy life. Clean society means a healthy life. So we should keep our neighborhood clean. Railway station, restaurant, and police station are some other important places in a neighborhood. So railway station is the place where we go to catch a railway. Restaurant is a place where we go with a family and have good food or good meal. Police station is the place where we find police and they handle the particular area. They take care of all our belongings, and they protect us from thieves. So these are the important places in our neighborhood. So children, this is all for today. Remaining part of the lesson we will continue tomorrow. Bye.